All right, let's look at quiz number 6, problem number 1, example. All right, so you have a 10-foot ladder placed against the a vertical wall here, and the bottom of the ladder is slides away from the wall at the constant rate of 2 feet per second. Right? Then we want to know how fast is the top of the ladder sliding down. So it's going down this way, right? So this is what we're looking for. All right, so let's write down what we already know. All right, what's given. So it says that the constant rate of 2 feet per second. Right? So this is the rate of change of x with respect to time. So dx over dt. So this is going to be 2. Right? And x, let's see, how fast is the top of the ladder when the bottom is 6 feet away from the wall? So x would be 6 at this moment. Right? So when x is equal to 6, we can use the Pythagorean theorem to find the y, because x squared plus y squared is equal to 10 squared. So y is going to be square root of 10 squared minus 6 squared, which is going to be square root of 100 minus 36. So it's a 64. So that'll be 8. All right. So by Pythagorean theorem, we can have equation x squared plus y squared is equal to 10 squared. Right. Then we are looking for how fast is the top of the ladder sliding down. So we are basically looking for the rate of change of y with respect to time t. Right? So let's find that. Right, so we have this Pythagorean theorem. So we're going to take the derivative with respect to time. So with respect to time, right? Derivative of x squared is 2x times dx over dt, right, plus, right, derivative of y squared is 2y times dy over dt is equal to derivative of 10 squared is 0. Right? Then we try to isolate dy over dt. So I'm going to put this guy over to the other side. So I'm going to subtract 2x dx over dt. Right? So it's a 2y times dy over dt is equal to negative 2x dx over dt. Alright, then we need to get rid of 2y, so we just divide through by 2y. Right, so we can isolate dy over dt is equal to negative 2x over 2y dy over dt. Right, then 2's cancel out. Right, so we get negative x over y dy. Oops, sorry, I miswrote. This is dx over dt. Alright, then we just need to plug in what we already know. So it's a negative sign here. X is 6. Right, put 6. right? Y is 8, and dx over dt is 2. Right, so you can see that we can simplify. So it's 3, 4, and divided by 2. So 2 is equal to negative 3 over 2 feet per second. Right, so negative sign indicates that it's sliding down. So 3/2 is the speed. So the top of the ladder is sliding down at the rate of 1.5 feet per second. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.